Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the fuel pump fuses and relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can expect to find them, guys, where you can find these fuses, relays. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, information that can potentially, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way, guys, if you need to buy any replacement part, fuel pumps, fuses, relays, we'll share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. The fuel pump, fuses and relays, guys, we'll show you where you can expect to find it. We will demonstrate on that generation Chevy Equinox, and quick advice from us, probably around 9 out of 10 owners will not know that there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram. A video that can save you a lot of money, guys. Go ahead and open the hood facing the engine on the right side. This is the driver's side. Next to the brake fluid reservoir is your main engine fuse box right here. You have one clip with 2 tabs that you need to squish together. One clip like that on the right side, one on the left side. Leave the cover up, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Guys, now the fuel pump is controlled by the fuel pump control module. You have a variable speed depending on how much pressure you need and all that stuff. So some models will have more fuses depending on the year, model, engine and all that stuff. Some have less, and we need to check multiple components. After checking the fuses, we need to check fuses for something else, guys, as well. So make sure you stand till the end. And the first main fuse is fuse number 46 for the fuel pump control module right here. That's a very important fuse. Then you need to check fuse number 52, which is this fuse right here, guys. Now, if these fuses are fine, okay, what do you need to check? You don't have a relay, you need to check your ignition switch relay maybe, because that will power the fuel pump control module. But the fuel pump control module is actually doing the relay function. If everything checks out fine, check fuses, relays for the chassis module, chassis integration module as well, guys. We'll have the video on the channel, fuses, relays for the chassis module, because it could be the one also controlling the fuel pump control module, guys. So check these things, okay? Chassis integration module, we'll have fuses, relays video on our channel if you need help as well. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, interior fuse box, we want to show you have 2 kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.